coaching thought for the day. So I read an article several years ago and it has stuck with me. And it is about how in education, as well as other places, change becomes a loss. And what I mean by that is, let's say that a teacher is changing curriculum, okay? That is a change, and that can be felt as a loss for teachers. There's a whole emotional state to things where whenever something changes, that means at some level something that they were doing wasn't right. So they were doing something wrong. In the case of a curriculum change, just as a for instance, whatever that curriculum was is no longer deemed good enough and something better is there. So not only can it be a personal, kind of assault to them. Some teachers get a little funny about their curriculum. But it can also be a reminder that teachers need to go through a grieving process. So that's what the article was all about, was how whenever there's a change, you really have to give time for grief for these teachers. Obviously, they haven't lost a person, but they still go through many of the stages. Sometimes there is anger. Sometimes there is disbelief in trying to, fight back against whatever this change is. There's also sadness. There's confusion. And they can cycle through things. So I think that's just really helpful to keep in mind whenever we are working with and coaching teachers who are going through any sort of change. Even if it's not personal in their own lives, it definitely can feel personal, even when it is about curriculum and even when it's about school. So I think it helps us as coaches to keep that in perspective when we are coaching them and coaching that whole person and all the emotions that go along with change.